What's really cool about using Responda's Lockdown browser is that you log into Blackboard as you normally would. Then, you find the quiz or exam and click Start Attempt. You will be prompted to open the Assessment and Lockdown browser. Just follow the prompts and you will be in the quiz or exam in no time. Now keep in mind that while using Lockdown browser, you will not be allowed to use any other programs or surf the web. When you click through the prompts, a message will pop up asking you to close all applications and continue. For PCs and Chromebooks, there are some different steps and settings involved. No worries here. I'll leave some info and video links below that will take you through how to get this rolling on both Google Chrome OS-powered Chromebooks and Microsoft Windows PCs. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.